see me stop, no, you won't see me quit. I'm gonna make it to the top if it's the last thing I did. Never catch me, man, I'm gone, cause I'll be working off the grid. Grinding through all the pain, I said I'd do it and I did. I'm the type to work until my hands fucking bleed. I'm the type to fight when others falling to their knees. I'm the type to ask for more pain, get it please. Cause on the other side of pain is everything I fucking need. I got a hunger inside of me, a flame ignites entirely. I work daily quietly to build a perfect dynasty, a place where my mind is free from the chains of society. I take all anxiety and turn it to the finer things. Oh, don't take it slow, I got these places to go. I wanna grow, I wanna be something more, a different mode. I'll hit if I gotta go, cause I got something to show the world.
Hey, good morning guys. I just woke up a few minutes ago. Had my protein shake with some MCT oil, shot glass full of pills. Pretty soon I'll go over all my supplements with you guys when I'm awake as opposed to when I'm half asleep like this. I'm about to go to the bathroom, do my reading, do my studying, shower, cold shower by the way guys, brush my teeth, shave, you know, all the usual stuff. Takes me 20-25 minutes in the bathroom to get absolutely everything done. After that, I'm going to come to the gym here again, do my meditation, do my breath work. It's nice and cool out again today. I think it's 55 degrees, 60 degrees, something like that. I'm going to go for a nice little jog this morning, come back from my jog, get everything all cleaned up in the gym and ready. Busy morning with clients, but in the afternoon I have a nice break for about 4 hours. I'm going to try to relax, get some things done, some more clients this evening, and yeah, should be a pretty fun day, guys. But let me get to it, and I'll be keeping you guys updated with my weight and my jogging and things, so on and so forth. Alright guys, real quick, let's just go over doing your stomach vacuums real fast. Empty stomach, deep breath in, full exhale, curl up, bring your belly button into your spine, and try to hold it for 5 to 15 seconds. Looks like this. It's a day 4 weight. Now, this is why you take the average 3 times, by the way. Alright guys, so dead hang is one of those things I do all day throughout the day. Just on my chin-up bar here. You can do them a lot of different ways, but basically you just want to completely relax your ribs, spine, pelvis, arms, shoulders, just totally chill, let your chin relax. Now the reason this is so good is because it corrects your posture, correctly lengthens a lot of your different muscle groups, it retrains your body to be in a specific path. You don't have to do this for long. Try to do it for 15 seconds, 30 seconds, a minute at a time, and then take a break. Now the reason this is so good and effective is because humans, obviously, evolution, have evolved from primates who basically moved through something called arboreal locomotion or brachiation. It's why our rear delts and our lats and stuff are diagonally shaped. Same thing with our pecs. It's how we were actually moving through the trees, up trees, through vines, shifting arm to arm. So the dead hang dramatically increases your grip intelligence, your posture, your flexibility, your mobility, even your spinal mobility, your rib mobility, improves your breathing, etc. It's one of those things you should be doing every day, on top of the fact that it makes you taller, it makes you healthier, and it improves all areas of your body. So really try to include dead hang, guys. Okay. I also do handstands every day, guys. Same kind of a thing. You just want to aim for a total time. Handstand, it's mostly just about getting your body in proper alignment. So basically being in a perfectly straight line with good posture, but upside down. And of course, remaining relaxed, breathing relaxed. It's a really great way to train your pelvic floor muscles, stability, all kinds of things. But again, I like to think you guys should be including these kinds of basic things in your day every day, couple seconds here and there. Alright guys, real quick, meal number 2. Just gonna make a quick omelet. Nothing fancy about it. It's just going to be a little bit of butter, some of the beef and organ meats, cheese, and eggs. I'll be drinking my veggies with this guy. And I also made myself some Thai tea mixed with some Fairlife milk. It's quite a good way to get your morning going. So as you can see, start to finish, that was only 4 minutes to make. It's just 2 nice big pieces of watermelon, 3 egg omelet with some cheese and the beef and liver organ meats inside, and a probiotic yogurt, as well as the veggies I'll be drinking, and of course just a regular old water and my Thai tea. I'm in motion, I'm obsessive like the ocean, I'm relentless, no promotions, don't back hands up a little bit. And then nice and relaxed, switch legs. Nice and relaxed, switch legs. Switch. Yeah. And you want to try switching one more time?
Yeah! That's my...
And then when it comes time to get up, yeah! Right, gracefully down. Gracefully down.
1, 2, 3, 4 steps I take from my bed to the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Will today be rough or will today be great? 9, 10, 11, 12. Lately I've been going through hell. 13, 14, 15, 16. Today's the day. Are you coming? Are you sick of being normal? I'm sick of being average. I'm sick of being mortal. I'm about to be a savage. I see a lot of things that I want. I will have.
Alright guys, I'm in between clients here. I got about an hour and a half till the next one. I'm going to make my next meal. I'll show you what it is, but basically I'm going to render down some bacon, add to that some steak, add some garlic, mushrooms, vegetables. While that's happening, I'm going to be cooking some rice in the microwave. They should finish at the same time, about 2 to 3 minutes. I'll then be mixing the rice in with the steak and everything else, tossing it together, and that'll be my next meal. But anyways, here's what it looks like. And there you go, guys. And it looks like it took about 5 minutes, give or take. So I'm in the hammock relaxing, and we got a slight problem here. I was chilling with Beans and then looked up. So now Beans really wants to kill this guy. I'm gonna have to take and get the lizard out of here before Beans gets crazy, destroys the hammock, kills the lizard, and scratches me. I know it's frustrating, huh, buddy? Oh. There he goes, Beans. Oh, Jesus, there he goes. Let me get him out of here. As you can see, works pretty good. It's got a good little weight to it. The whole project took me about 30 minutes start to finish. Just what I do in my relaxation time. Alright guys, so I'm about to go do my cardio for the day. I just finished up with 2 online clients. One just got a brand new plan with me, so that actually took like 90 minutes to kind of a lot of extra talking. Another was a regular plan, just did breath work and exercise. Still not sure how to film that to make it look interesting, but you guys get the idea. It's just me on the other side of a computer screen. While I was doing that, I drank a probiotic shake and a protein shake as well. The cardio today is rucking. If you don't know what rucking is, it's just putting weight on your back and going for a walk. Now, if you're going to do this, there's a million ways to do it, but just a couple of real simple pieces of advice. Make sure you have a backpack with nice thick straps. They're nice and squishy. Make sure it's got a lot of comfortable foam padding on the back of it here. This one's actually got double foam padding. These are very squishy, even though I use it all the time. This one's actually also kind of a special backpack that I put together as well. I'll show you what it does. You guys have probably seen these before. But it lights up and it says cool stuff. I'll just let it play all the way through for 1 second. You can see what it looks like. But all I'm going to be doing is making sure to use a towel or a pad of some kind between the weights and my body, so the weights don't rub against, press, and bump against my body, creating problems. I don't want scratches, abrasions, bruises, etc. You get the idea. I'm just putting 2 plates in. Each one's 25 pounds. It's going to be 50 pounds total, plus one of the towels. I then strap everything very tight inside the bag with straps which are inside of it, like a luggage straps. Then on the outside, it also compresses it on the outside as well. And then I'll put it on a high place, put myself into it without having any load on my back at all. Just put myself in, cinch up the straps, and then I'll take it off and readjust the straps, make sure it's comfortable. And today all I'm doing is just a walk in 2 miles. That's it, just a real slow, boring walk. I'm going to listen to a podcast while I do it. But yeah, so I hope you guys try rucking. Guys, while I'm here, I just want to point out a couple things about rucking and wearing a weighted backpack. I want to show you what I mean about putting it on safely and taking it off safely, because again, you don't want to get hurt. The whole point of exercising is to build your muscles, make yourself healthier. Anytime you hurt yourself even a little bit, it's going to slow down your recovery time. It's not very efficient just because you were in a hurry. So don't be like that. Take your time putting things on and off. So just watch how I put it on, and then I'll cinch it up and go over the next thing with you. Okay, so now the straps should be snug, but not like constricting. If it has a chest strap, you should use it. Mine, it simply doesn't fit. I got too big of boobs, I guess. Shouldn't be impairing anything. When you are walking with this, do not resist it with your shoulders. Don't push against it. Don't lean into it. Don't do anything like that. Stand up nice and tall. Practice breathing with your belly, which means you're going to have to relax your abs, which is going to be difficult because they're going to want to be isometrically contracting while you're walking like this. You will be bracing continuously as you're walking because the weight is on your back, pulling you backwards. Think basic levers, guys, like a domino that you put a backpack on it, it's going to want to tip over backwards. Well, that's what you want to do. You have one of these guys on, it wants to go back. That's your abs working to stabilize you. It's actually a great postural exercise, but again, make sure your shoulders are relaxed. Keep shaking them out while you're walking. And another thing to consider is this is a great way to add weight to your body weight exercises. So today was a day off from the gym for me, but tomorrow back to arms, etc. The 3-day rotation. The last 3 days were either hybrid or sarcoplasmic training. The next 3 days are going to be myofibril training, strength-based, tendon-based training. So you'll see I'll focus a little bit more on the how and the why for these, but it's a lot less reps. And if you're doing it with body weight, depending on how you do the movement, you might need to add weight. So if I'm doing myofibrio training style for my decline, or sorry, for my pecs rather, with a decline push-up, my body weight is not sufficient. However, if I throw 50, 75 pounds on my back, now my body weight is sufficient. Same thing with if you want to do pull-ups, for example, you want to do something body weight, do pull-ups or chin-ups, throw a weighted back on. If you want to do scapular retraction rows, throw a backpack on when you're leaning at an angle. Once again, it's going to be adding considerable load. You can stay with body weight. Body weight is very challenging because it involves lots of muscles in your body, plus coordination, proprioception. You have a vestibular system in a very healthy way, etc. You get the idea. But even just body weight squats or anything else, it's a great way to use a weighted backpack. It's a fun workout to do. Just take a walk, do some squats, take a walk, do some push-ups. You know, you get the idea. Walk, pull up, go on. Have some fun, guys. But anyways, let me get back to my walk, guys. And I hope everybody's on their grind hard for this new year, trying really hard to change, if you haven't already done. But you get the idea, guys. Just wanted to demonstrate. It's very possible. You just have to move a little bit more, and of course it's a little more challenging. Good luck, guys. Hey guys, real quick, just because I haven't mentioned it yet, another one of the things that I take are these little hydrogen infusing tabs. You just take one little pill and you put it in your bottle of water and you let it dissolve completely. This, by the way, is just my BCAA water. Doesn't matter if you mix the two, but just stick it in there, let it dissolve completely. It's going to start releasing hydrogen. Now, hydrogen is a powerful antioxidant. It helps with your free radicals. It's anti-inflammatory. It helps support your cells, your energy function, all of these things. And I mean, it might sound funny, H2O, regular old water, doesn't really contain it, but this kind of activates it and infuses it. I'll probably make a separate video doing a better job explaining it instead of this brief little explanation. But yeah, so I take about 3 or 4 of these a day with my water. Obviously not every water, just 3 or 4 days, plenty. And if you guys are already doing it already, look into doing it. And like I said, I'll try to make a video soon specifically about the benefits of these. What do we got here for dinner? Ooh, shit, Shake Shack. And what do I got? 2 avocado chicken sandwiches, 2 single burger avocado bacon burgers, I guess, and 1 strawberry shake dairy-free. That's what I'm talking about right there. Now, 2 of those sandwiches are for tomorrow, 2 are for dinner tonight. Let's look at these things. Just playing with the new toy. You got to practice from different distances, and it's one of the reasons I got the pad back there. And same thing, I'm just taking a quick break from working on my book right now. Just gonna do a couple of dead hangs, handstands, a few push-ups. One of the things I haven't gone over yet, actually. Each one of these clickers over here represents a different thing. So we got the however many minutes of jump rope that I do here. This is however many push-ups that I do, however many minutes of dead hang, however many minutes of handstands, however many body weight squats that I do, and this is for how many laps that I run around the neighborhood. Each lap is a quarter mile. Hey guys, just about to do my stretching. Kind of had to put the camera up here slightly awkwardly so you can see what it looks like from the top. Perhaps another day I'll do it from a different angle. But this is just my basic before the night stretching. I'm not doing anything crazy, just normal day, normal stretching. Takes me, give or take 15 or 20 minutes. Sometimes it just depends on what I'm listening to. Might be 25 minutes or something if it's a podcast. I typically don't have these lights on. This is just so you can see me stretching. It's usually red lights. No screens, no TV, no nothing like that. 90 minutes before bed, although I will listen to classical music and stuff and podcast documentaries, those kinds of things. But anyways, let's just go ahead and get into the stretching. And I should mention I already did all of my planning for tomorrow, scheduling. I went over my day tomorrow, scheduled the Zoom calls, all that stuff. The last thing I have to do is just the stretching, and then I have HRVT breath work right after this, and then bed. That's it. So that's it for the night, guys. I'm gonna do just one more very brief set of those where I can focus on it with the lights off, and that's it.